Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to an amazing teaching device, a comprehensive educational platform based on Chery electric vehicle technology. Whether you're a student specializing in electric vehicles or an educator, this device offers an unparalleled learning experience. Let's start by looking at the design philosophy behind this platform. Our team has integrated the core technological components of real electric vehicles to create a learning environment that closely mirrors actual operations. This not only enhances the practicality and effectiveness of learning, but also allows students to master various electric vehicle technologies in a realistic simulation setting. The dimensions of this teaching platform are 3,500 millimeters long, 2,500 millimeters wide, and 2,000 millimeters high, providing ample space for operations and demonstrations. This generous space is crucial for offering hands-on experience and keeping students engaged. Check out this aluminum stand equipped with lockable casters. It makes the platform highly mobile and flexible, allowing you to easily move it to different teaching environments. Convenience and adaptability are key features that make this platform so user-friendly. To help you better observe the internal structure of the battery pack, we've covered the cutaway surfaces with transparent acrylic panels. This design not only facilitates observation, but also ensures safety during operations, which is essential for practical teaching scenarios. Now, let's take a look at the control and monitoring panel. It features detailed circuit diagrams and detection interfaces, enabling direct access and real-time measurement of various electrical parameters. This enhances the interactivity and practicality of the teaching experience, allowing students to engage directly with the system. The high-voltage system is another standout feature of this platform. It includes safety disconnection mechanisms and OBD diagnostic sockets, providing a secure environment for students to learn about high-voltage system operations. Safety is our top priority, ensuring that students can explore and understand high-voltage systems without any risks. In terms of functionality, this platform offers voltage disconnection and detection, fault simulation, and diagnosis. These features not only broaden the scope of teaching, but also provide essential skills training in practical operations. Students learn how to safely operate high-voltage systems and diagnose faults, preparing them for real-world challenges. In summary, this comprehensive teaching platform, based on Chery electric vehicle technology, combines advanced design and rich features to provide an ideal tool for electric vehicle education. Whether in the classroom or the laboratory, it significantly enhances teaching effectiveness and develops students' practical skills. If you're interested in learning more about this teaching platform, please visit our official website or contact our customer service team. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you next time.